Welcome to Excel Tips and tip number 31. And in tip number 31, we are going to be showing you some conditional formatting. Now, sadly, 2003's conditional formatting is vastly different to 2007 and 10, so I'm going to have to walk you through how to do it, and hopefully it makes sense. Otherwise, you're going to have to upgrade to 2007 or 10 so you can use some proper conditional formatting. Now, in 2003, to go to the conditional formatting, you go to Format menu and then down to Conditional Formatting, and you'll come up with a little text box where you can select cell value is or formula. My suggestion would have been highlight the data that you want to do that first, and then say cell value is, select the type, so if it's less than or greater than, and then put in the condition, and in this case we would say equals C15. You then select the format and you can apply it. You can add up to 3 conditional formats in 2003. Not many, but it's 3 per cell. But if you have a grouping over those cells, then obviously you can only use 3 for the entire grouping. So 2003 conditional formatting, a little bit limited, but still a very, very good functionality if used correctly. 2007 and 10, though, brings a whole new level of conditional formatting out for use, and that's what we're going to show you today. It's under the Home menu, under Conditional Formatting tab, and you'll see, as soon as I bring that out, you can see that I've got a whole heap of different conditional formats that I can use. So first one I'm going to show you is greater than and a highlighted cell. So it's picked the midpoint, I think, there, but I'm going to say, no, my condition is 500. Fill with light red fill and dark red text. You've got a whole heap which you can choose from, but I'll keep with that. You can even go custom. So we do that, and you can see really quickly it's highlighted everything which is more than $500, or 500 units rather. On revenue, I'm going to show you something different. I'm going to show you the color scales, and color scales essentially will set it up from highest to lowest as far as the colors go, and make it really obvious so you can see what's the lowest color and what's the highest color, where we say green in this case is the highest and red is the lowest, or in this case blue's the highest and red's the lowest, so we'll stay with that one, and you can see really quickly where all the different items lie. Finally, what I'm going to show you on the final revenue column is data bars, which is something really cool. It essentially puts a graph within the cell for you, so you can see really quickly, where's the high performing products and what's the low performing products and why is that, and you can really quickly have a really nice graphical display of what each of your products is doing. You can be solid filled, it can be gradient fill, so it's really been improved greatly in Excel 2007 and 10, and with the fact that you can put new rules in and really have a lot of control over what the rules are and how you manage them. Excel 2007 and 10 conditional formatting is very, very impressive, and probably could warrant more than a 3-minute 30 tutorial on it, because there's just so much power and so much customization behind it. But hopefully that gives you a snapshot and gets you enticed enough to go have a play and test out the functionality as far as conditional formatting in Excel goes.